Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact suit model and necessary reinforcement parts. This prevents mismatches later. Once done, inspect the shell for hairline cracks, corrosion, and worn seams so you know where reinforcement is required. Make sure seals and valves match the rated depth and pressure. You will lay out tools in order: measuring tape, calibration gauge, solvent, adhesive, and clamps. Begin with a photographed baseline for reference and mark all reinforcement zones clearly to avoid rework. You fit Kevlar or composite patches next because they carry most of the load. Precise cutting and overlap are why they work. Once aligned, degrease the bonding surfaces and apply manufacturer primer. This improves adhesion chemically, not just mechanically. Then coat both surfaces with high-strength marine adhesive and position the panel, pressing out air pockets. Clamp and brace the panel to maintain compression. While curing, you will verify ambient temperature and humidity are within spec to ensure a full bond. You finish by sealing edges and installing pressure-rated valves and fittings. Do not skip a final torque check to manufacturer spec. Once assembled, perform a staged pressure test. Low pressure verify, then progressive ramp to operational depth in a chamber while monitoring for decay. If you detect leaks, isolate area with a soap film and dye, mark affected seams, and repair with fresh adhesive and additional reinforcement as needed. Finally, log test results and recertify the suit before operating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.